New tonight at 10, a Missouri judge has granted a $500,000 settlement to the family of a pregnant MoDOT worker who was hit and killed on the job on Telegraph Road.
I just miss my daughter.
Tanya Muskov says it's been nearly 3 years since her daughter, Kaitlyn Anderson, went to work for MoDOT and never came home.
My life is completely destroyed over MoDOT's lack of safety, and I really wish that we could do something in her honor to prevent this from happening again, because I just miss her.
She was 6 months pregnant with her son Jax when she and her coworker James Brooks were hit and killed while working on Telegraph Road.
What makes this so hard is because everyone knows that they violated numerous safety policies, yet they get immunity because they're the government.
Tanya has been in court fighting for Kaitlyn for years, and this settlement from the government is the last straw.
I didn't settle. I had nowhere else to go. I had no more fight left. There was nowhere else I could take it up to fight.
A Missouri judge has ordered MoDOT to pay her and Jax's father a little more than $500,000.
That's all that the state of Missouri politicians allows for an employer to pay if they cause a death of an employee.
But she says their lives are priceless.
The only people that won today and yesterday is MoDOT in the state of Missouri, not the employees who are going to put their lives in danger. You know, I didn't win anything. I lost, and I lost something that no amount of money could ever give me back.
So now she's going to keep fighting in a different way, going back to the State House so that no other family has to endure this.
Going back to Jeff City, making stricter laws for the highway workers. You know, I can't stop thinking about the police officer who just lost his life. We have to do something to protect our workers and just make change.
This is a pretty interesting wrongful death case, completely different from how it would be treated in California. When I heard the $500,000, I was like, whoa, that's a little low. Young woman, pregnant, I mean, oh my God, and another coworker, tragic. Certainly in California, this would have also been a workers' comp claim because it was while they were working. And there probably would have been what's called a third-party claim as well against the person who hit her. Also interesting is that this is a government employment job and they have governmental immunity, which there are governmental immunities in California as well. And there's also ways to get around them, say particularly with like a police department. If they're not following their own policies and training, you can get around the immunity and it no longer provides that immunity for the governmental entity. It's difficult to do, but it's quite possible. And it does happen all the time where these government entities are not following the law and their own policies, and therefore they are exposed to the liability just like anybody else out there when they make a mistake. So certainly the laws are certainly more favorable to protecting regular consumers and employees in California. Again, if this had happened in California, I think the number would have been considerably larger. A tragic loss for this, poor mother to lose her daughter and would-be grandchild and all that. This is why we have the laws in California that we do, so that people, are protected more and are held accountable for the mistakes in keeping their employees safe, even if it's the government.
Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.